Hello everyone, so today we'll continue my application Arborescence, which I remind you is like to share Google Drive links and so on. So today we'll do something kind of funny, which I will show you right now. I already started, and this is to make some kind of statistics, like for example you can see on my homepage, like the number of links I have in my database for example, and the number of users I have, and the number of new links this week. So as you can see, it's all in French, and now my idea is to keep these three statistics there, like it's kind of fine, and leave this text here. But I want first to move all of this in a new page. So we'll see how to make a new page. If you didn't know with Coordinator, we'll probably put it there just before account. And also we will try to make a little dashboard, or how to say, like this page, which is the home page. I want to make it a little bit different, so when you're logged in, like when you're logged out, you can see like the number of links, the number of users, and the number of links this week. This there is no problems. But I want to also, when you are connected, I will probably remove this newsletter because it's kind of pointless. And this text, probably I will keep it now, but maybe move it later. But I would like to add some more some more statistics, especially about the user itself. Like for example, the number of like my links, for example, just display them in a list, and for example, how many times it has been clicked and the rank, and just little table like this to have some kind of statistics, and that's it. So we'll try to do this. Shouldn't take long, but we'll see. Okay, so let's get started. So first, as I said, we will move the bottom, which is just some HTML, stupid HTML. We'll move it in a new page. So let's where actually. Okay, let's make a new page here. Should be enough. So new file, for example, and here we'll call it change log.php. Okay, inside I will just take all of this. Okay, and copy there. Perfect. So now it's fine, but I need to have a menu. So let's go in our menu, which is template, template here, and next to account, which is here, we'll make it public, so to everyone. There, and we'll put change logs, and here we'll make model main and change logs. Oops, one letter. Okay. So in the main, I will create a new function here. So public function change logs. There is nothing needed, and I just need this. Oh, and here's the oops, but it is change logs, which is the name of the view. Which okay, let's put the S here. This one will rename change logs like this. Perfect. So now we have home. Okay, so now let's try. Open it, refresh. We have change logs. When I click, I have it. Okay, it's not perfect yet, but we're on the way. So here I have the div row. This div call mp8.column empty offset 2, and all of these I put inside. Up, and now I refresh, and I have it. Perfect. So we can already, like, for example, add a new one, which will be beta 1.1, which probably should be published uh, uh, 23rd. That should be published tomorrow. So 23rd. I'm not sure if it's 1.1 or 1.2. Don't remember. I am using ZenKit, which is quite nice, and this is 1.2. I forgot to make the 1.1 changelog. Anyways, I'll make it later. So here, what we changed is like, okay, we have to write in French because this is for French people actually. So let's write it in French. Déplacement de la page des change logs. And there is problems. Okay, seems nice. Okay, save, and now I refresh and I have my beta 1.2 with my text. Okay, so it's fine. We have it here. It's a little bit moved, and now we have a smaller like the home page. Also, I forgot to tell you, like, I will have a video soon here about the one which is on the channel, which is about how to use the application. So this will do tomorrow probably, or maybe in another video today. We'll see. So we have it. Perfect. What else now? We have changelog, we have the home page, and now we want some more like a dashboard home page for the people. Wait, I need to check one thing now. Okay, it's the same version. Yeah, by the way, for this widget, I was a lot inspired by the framework Inspinia that I bought long time ago already, but I did not like use everything. I just took the CSS from here, from this widget. I just took this from there, and that's it. And like it's a bootstrap HTML, and that's it. So this you can find on internet. You type like Inspinia whatever, and you will find it. Okay, so let's continue here. Okay, let's move like these things when it's logged in or logged out, and so we have here is logged in. I have it here. So home. Here I want to have the newsletter, which is here. Yeah, all this block here. I want to have it only if I'm logging. Okay, so let's put it here. Logged in equal this, and this is 1 or 0, or I mean this is 1 or nothing actually. So now PHP if logged in. Okay, and then PHP oops, like this. So now actually it's wrong because I am logged in and I see it, and when I am logged out I don't see it. So let's just put this not logged in, and that's it. Okay, so let's take this again, and we said that we want to add some more stuff here. So we want to get, for example, all my links, the one I created as a user. So I will access these variables only when I am logged in, so it's fine to have it here. So PHP, for example, wait, oops, I will not do it here. I will do it in the main. So this is the stats I am getting when I am logged out, and then when I'm logged in, I need to go get it. So let's do it. If this, then I will go get my links, like get number links, for example. We will modify it to be this function. So get number links, and this is in my model statistics, which is here. Get number links. I have DB I have the scenes, and I can add also, for example, user ID, which is by default at false. And here, for example, I want the two first rows, like I want all from all database, like knowledge base, which is I call it knowledge base in my vocabulary. But anyways, and here we need the user ID. So user ID is equal to this session user data ID. Take it ID like this. Okay, and now here we put the user ID. Perfect. And here we will add, if we have the user ID, we need to add something to our query. So this db where, and then we have links dot author is equal to our user ID. And if I do that, let's click user stats, and I should get it. So let's check it out in the home. I said I wanted to add things here. So for example, I can add frame, PHP, bar temp, and then I put my user stat here. And when I check, I am logged out, so it's fine, perfect. And I log in, perfect, and I have my number of links, which is 1. Interesting, I should have more, I guess. Let's check. Here, there, filters, mining. Okay, I have only one, so it's fine. Let's add another one, just like blah blah blah, and something, and okay. We don't really care actually. And here we add it. Okay, click here, filters, my link. I have two, and if I go on the first things, the home page, I have number of link which is working, number of link this week which is working, and here I have my my things. So okay, let's add the h1 dashboard, and here we will use the same things. Okay, split at the end, make a row, and then we put this inside, and here we can put the user stats, and this is what number links. Yes. Okay, and now if I refresh, almost. Yeah, which means my link actually. So this is my links, and it's working fine, perfect. What now? Now we want to add, for example, a table with all these links. So we need to get the link of this user, and we'll just get really simple information, which is here. We want to have, like, for example, just a description at the beginning of the description, and we want to have the number of click, and what else? What did you say? And the rank. Yes, the rank. So Let's create. How to make it? Because actually I have already a function for that, like to get the links, which is in my model knowledge base. Get links, and this needs to have some inputs. But this I get too much actually. I think I will not use it. I will just make a simple one. Like for example, the link function get user links, and here we'll have user ID, which will be false by default. And now if we have a user ID, otherwise we return false. So if we have a user ID, we'll go in the DB where pointless. So where author is user ID, and then we'll say that the query is equal to this db get, and then we want the links. Perfect. Now we'll check if we have rows. If we have, then we'll get them. So if the number of rows we get is more than 0, we'll go for each. No, not for each now. We'll create a variable which will go links list, which will be equal to the query and result array. And then just for the sake of it, we'll make a for each of these links list as a link. And then we'll say that the links with the, we'll create just an array with the, again the with the ID as a key, equal link, and at the end we return the links. Perfect. So now get user links here like this, and this we don't need. Okay, user links here we call it. Okay, good. And now in here we can create a row, probably row equal 12. Take all of it. Make a table. And we have tr and then th, which will be like link or like description du lien, and then another nombre de fois. Okay. So it's the number of time clicked, and this is th rank. Okay, and then here we'll do tbody, and here the fun starts php for each user links. Yes, this is first user stats up as a link ID. Then we have the link. Okay, we close the PHP, the for each I mean, and then we make a tr. In the tr we have td, and here we have php echo link description, and then here the same but with click, and here the same but with rank. Let's check. This is click, rank, and description. So everything is all right. Let's check. F5. Okay, this is my two links, so it's perfect. I want to watch something else also in here. I want to order them by rank first and then by number of clicked. So to do so, we go here, we have this EV, first order by, and we said we want to order first by rank. So rank, and we put it task patiently. And then we want the same, but for click. And now if I do it, okay, here it will not change anything actually. Okay, it doesn't change. So here you can see the data I have access to. Um, how to check it? Let's add a new link, like test. Don't really care. The same. Oops. Add it here. Perfect. So now you have it. Yes, here they have the same link. Okay, I will click this one. We can click 0 time. This one is not found. Okay. But then I can put a rank, for example 4 stars, and this one I will click it once also, not found, it's normal, and I can put, I don't know, like 2 stars. Okay, and now if I go back, I should see test first, yes, because the rank is higher. So it's kind of cool. And that's it. Do we need something else here? I think I should add, for example, like my average rank, for example. And I will do, to do that, I will do something quite bad, because I will use this forage again. I will forage 2 times just before, but I want to go quick, I don't want to make it optimized yet, because I plan to redo everything with another framework later. So let's do it like this. We'll make counter before, CMT, start at 0, and then we'll count the number of link. Actually I don't really need that because I already have it, but I can count like total rank, or like, yeah, total rank, for example. And here I will just plus equal with the link and the rank. And at the end of this, I will put like average rank, and this I can make like the round total rank divided by the count of the user, blah 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 blah. Oops. Count of this. Up and round it to 0. Okay, then I can duplicate this on the same row. And here I can put the average rank. Moyen. And here we can put like trophy, for example, or like star. And now if we check, it's kind of working. My average rank is 4. Okay, let's round it maybe at 2. I have 367. So it's kind of cool. The only problem I have now is that if the guy doesn't have any links, it doesn't work. So let's put this, and we'll make it so like already is set first, and we'll add, oops, here, and this, the count of this has to be more than 0. So now it will not change anything, but for the user that doesn't have anything, doesn't have any links, for example, it will be like it will be totally empty. He will not see my dashboard and everything. So let's do it so that now from this if, for example, we'll make a else here and make a else. I display the normal page here. So now here, if I refresh, I don't have any more text under. Yeah, I will remove this gray Spartan. Don't need it anymore. So now I don't have it. I just have like the normal things from the total database, and I have also my things. So it's kind of cool. Maybe also I can add in front the same as the quick link to go there, like to edit it or something. Is it relevant? Not really. No, let's not do it. So I'm kind of happy with this. It's kind of cool. I like it. I could change the color, for example, but do I want that? Let's check. Let's try to have. I have background primary. If I put info, does it look better? I don't think so. Not really. Not really at all. Primary warning. Ooh. Okay, we'll leave it primary. Yeah. I have little things also here, like the widget here looks more like centered compared to there. I wonder why. It is widget, this row, no. Let's check something here. Check the row. Seems fine, but too big. So maybe this row doesn't change. Widget here. I took all of the style, so it's fine. And this row. I don't know, but not really important actually. Looks fine enough. Okay, so I think that's it. We don't need more. It's already 28-minute video, so it's enough for now. So I will probably push this tomorrow, and I will try now to add this new video on the welcome page, and that's it. So if I log out, I still have this. Yeah, working quite well. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.